Now, because the propaganda model is a product of the Cold War, Chomsky and Herman's final filter was originally called anti-communism because communism was seen as the primary external threat against Western democracy at the time the model was created. Now, on one hand, that seems a bit out of date because obviously the Cold War kind of officially ended with the fall of the Berlin Wall and the collapse of the Soviet Union. But in some respects, we've also kind of come full circle in terms of demonizing Russia as a threat to democracy through its alleged interference in the US presidential election. And also, we now have the rise of China as a political power being seen maybe as a suggestion that anti-communism as a sentiment is alive and well within the Western commercial media. But in many respects, going back to the introductory lecture for CCB 101, we need to recognise that the world is a much more complex place now, with a range of external threats, or at least the media presents a range of external threats. Now, the extent to which the various groups I'm talking about here do pose a threat may or may not be the case, but certainly, and we can begin to see through the front pages of admittedly perhaps less than credible newspapers here, that finding an external enemy is still very much a part of Western commercial media. So post 9/11, Islamophobia has been a common theme and continues to be a common theme in Western media. But now certainly the enemies coming to threaten Western democracy could include Mexicans in the US and refugees or asylum seekers or illegal immigrants, depending on where you stand in relation to those people in Australia. Now, why this idea of having a common enemy, an external threat, works so powerfully is that when you have turned someone into an enemy, or when you've turned a particular social group into an enemy, you demonize them, it's very easy to justify aggression against them. So ultimately, this might play out in military action, or certainly on a daily basis. This type of media reporting is seen as being concerning because it justifies vilification, xenophobia, and abuse on a daily basis.